Well, we finally got a beautiful Friday afternoon here, springtime in PA. Weather's finally breaking. This video is going to be about the lumber business. I'm going to talk to you guys that are in business just like me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be one of those kind of sit and chat with me kind of videos. Hope you don't mind. But I, honest to God, went from being kind of slow the last few weeks to being extremely busy now. I've had a couple of orders come into place all at the same time, and we're trying to do some tree farm work, and I've just been extremely busy. So I've been working here at the mill this afternoon, and I was kind of thinking, I don't know what next week's video is going to be. Better start thinking about that. And I actually have a couple videos that are somewhat in the works, but some of these videos take a while from start to finish to complete. So a thought dawned on me out of the blue, and I know most of my videos are random. This one is 100% random. This idea occurred to me 10 minutes ago. So I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm going to pitch something to you guys and let me know what you think. We'll go from there. It's a little windy out. I don't know if you can see all that dust blowing. Let's step inside. Probably be a little bit quieter in there. So when I started this channel, I really didn't know how my audience was going to form. I kind of had an idea who would be interested in this content, but I wasn't exactly sure. Well, I'll tell you what I found after doing this for over 2 years. Most of you guys that I talk to are in the business like me, one way or another, in some form, woodworking or sawmill or dry kilns or all of the above. I've talked to a lot of you via on the phone, comments, emails, what have you. Asking for advice, giving me advice, you name it. I really do appreciate all the feedback, and yeah, you guys have been awesome to me. I haven't had to deal with a lot of the riffraff that you get on YouTube and people trolling and stuff like that. It's been very, very minimal. It's been almost all positive, which I really appreciate. So I get more calls and feedback than you would probably imagine, which I try to get back to everybody. I apologize. I'm running a business here. I'm extremely busy. I just can't get back to everybody, but I do my best. So half of it is guys like me, maybe like you, that are in the business, either picking my brain or something like that. The other half I get is potential customers that see something I'm doing and are interested, and they're interested in the product and service, which, hey, I'm not gonna lie, this YouTube channel by design was meant to be advertising for me. So, you know, I'm kind of selling my own book, so to speak, with that kind of stuff. But the one thing I found to be a problem, I get people contacting me from all over the country. And the nature of lumber and logs, I'm not Amazon. I can't service them. You know, if somebody's in Washington State, as much as I'm interested in their project and would love to do it, it's just not practical. So shipping is a huge limitation. That's why I've always thought lumber should remain a local business. It should be small business, you know, that we can serve our own communities and outlying areas. But I'm never going to be a nationwide business here. I don't want to be. I have all the work I can do just with our local area. So this thought came to me because somebody just reached out to me this week, and you know, they always inquire and they ask about shipping, and well, the numbers just usually don't work out. Till you ship me material and I ship it back to you, it just usually is cost prohibitive. So I'm putting 2 and 2 together in my head here. I have this platform where all you guys from across the country are reaching out to me, and I get these customers that are reaching out to me. And I thought, well, you know, I could potentially play matchmaker here and maybe hook you guys up with some business. So I thought about that for about 5 minutes before I picked up the camera, and honestly what I've come up with here, I'm not really looking to be a broker or anything like that. I think we'd keep this dead simple and just see if it works. If you guys are interested, if you're in the business, whatever that may be, if that's custom sawing, if it's sawing and kiln drying, if it's kiln drying and doing mill work, why don't you drop me an email? I'm gonna put my email right down below here, hillcustomlumber@gmail.com, very simple. Please don't spam me. Not that you couldn't find my email any other way. If you're watching this, you're probably not gonna spam me. But just drop me a line. Give me your name, business name, where you're located. I don't even need your full shipping address. Just give me your town and what state. And give me just a brief description of what you do. Just so when these things come in, what I would do, I'm gonna file them by state probably. And if somebody is interested, if they see one of my flooring videos, or if they see a sawing video, and they contact me, well, obviously, you know, if you're a couple states away, I can't help you. But if I have a contact from that particular state, and I say, oh, they're not too far from you, give this person a call or shoot them an email. You know, maybe I can help you out that way. The odds of you getting a lead from this, I'm gonna be 100% honest, probably not the greatest, but it's not costing you anything. And, you know, just kind of want to help everybody out the best I can. Promote small business, local business, and it's kind of, I guess you'd call it a good deed. If I do hook you up with a winning customer, I don't know, send me a shirt or a hat or something like that, whatever. That would be the honor system. But it's just my quick little idea to help everybody out. So there again, email me, name, location, name of the business. If you got a website, I mean, anything you want to send to me, please don't send me a biography because I don't have time to read them all. In fact, depending on how many of these I get in response, I may not even be able to reply to all of you. But if you send it to my email address, hillcustomlumber@gmail.com, I'll be sure to get it. And just, I guess you should probably put something in the subject line. What can we call this? Just put in lumber business and your state. Lumber business in Pennsylvania, whatever. Even if you're somewhat local to me, include your information. Maybe we can do business one way or another in the future. So, you know what they say in business, it's not what you know, it's who you know. So I figure maybe we'll get a little network going here. Who knows where we go with it. I'm not gonna sell your information. Your information's safe with me. I don't even know who I'd sell it to. I don't know what I'd do with it. I'm not gonna spam you with junk email. This is just simply to try to help everybody out. Because I know so many of you guys are in the same business I am. You're doing the same stuff I'm doing. You're grinding it out every day. And, you know, these leads are important. Some of them work out, some of them don't. Don't blame me if I send you a bad customer. I know we all have those customers that you just want to go away. This lead is going to be worth what you pay for it, so I'll leave it at that. But if you guys are interested, drop me a line. I'm just curious. I'm also curious to kind of see my audience, how widespread it is, and that kind of thing, and see what y'all are into. So this is my short little video for the week. I got some more bigger projects coming, but quite honestly, I've been busy, and this is the best I can do this week. So I figured I'd help out you guys, and I appreciate you being loyal followers, because I'm sure this isn't going to attract very much attention other than my loyal followers. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next week.